Hi Sarah, how are you?
Hi, Ollie. I'm good. Thanks. How about you?
I'm fine. Just thinking about food.
Haha, food is the best. What's on your mind?
I was thinking of trying that new Pakistani restaurant today. Have you been?
Yeah, I went there yesterday. The food was amazing.
Nice. What did you order?
I got the biryani, and it was so good, spicy and flavorful.
Sounds delicious. I'll definitely try it. Do they have good kebabs?
Yeah, their seek kebabs are awesome. You should try.
Cool. I'll go for that then. Asterisk Sarah asterisk. Yeah, their karahi is also super tasty. I'll check that out too. Do you like spicy food?
Yeah, I love it. The spicier, the better.
Haha, same here. I can't handle bland food.
Haha, true. What's your go-to Pakistani dish?
Maybe nahari. I love it.
Nice. I like Halim too.
Yeah, halim is great during Ramadan.
Definitely. Do you cook at home?
Sometimes, I make simple things like omelets.
Haha, that's cool. I cook a bit more.
Like what?
I make chicken tikka and biryani at home.
Wow, that's impressive.
Haha, thanks. I like experimenting with food.
Me too. We should cook together sometime.
Sounds like a plan. I love too.
Cool. Maybe we can make Pakistani desserts too.
Like what?
Like gulab jamun or jalebi.
Yum. Sounds like a sweet plan.
Haha, definitely. Food is the best way to hang out.
Haha, totally agree.
So, want to go to that restaurant today?
Sure. When were you thinking?
How about 2 p.m.?
Sounds good.
So, did you try their faluda?
Not yet, but I heard it's good.
Yeah, we should try it next time.
Sounds like a plan.
Did you like the ambience of the restaurant?
Yeah, it was nice. Cozy place.
True, I liked it too. Good place to chill.
Definitely, we should go again.
For sure, maybe with some friends too.
Sounds like a plan.
What did you think of the service?
It was good. Staff was friendly.
Yeah, they were nice.
So, what's next?
Haha, maybe dessert now.
Haha, you're on.
Want to try that jalebi place?
Yum. Let's go.